In my previous video, I have talked about PowerPoint capabilities under Home tab. Now let's work with the options come under Insert. First option is to add a new slide. Just click on this option and new slide will be added next to the active slide. Table option, pictures, screenshot, photo album, shapes, icon, 3D models, smart chart, link, comment, text box, header and footer, word art, date and time, slide number, object, equation, symbol. These options work exactly the way I explain in Microsoft Word video. You may check the videos through the link mentioned in the description. Let's see how the zoom option works here. If we click on Summary Zoom, it will create an extra slide with a summary of all slides you want to add by clicking on this small checkboxes, and click on Insert. You can see a slide is added. Let's delete this part. Now in my slideshow, when we can see the summary, just click on any part to zoom that slide. Let's click on the second slide. It zoomed the second slide. If you click on anywhere, it takes you to the summary again. When you have different sections like this, here, Section Zoom allows to zoom on different sections in similar way, and Slide Zoom allows you to zoom on selected slides in similar way. PowerPoint allows to add video in your slide too. Just click on Video, click on this device, open the folder where you saved your video, double-click on the video, and it will be added in slide. Or click on Online Videos. I have already copied a YouTube video link. Let's paste here. Click on Insert. It's added in your slide. If you click on Audio, you may add audio clip as well either from your device or record and add as well. Last one is an interesting option which allows you to record your active window and add the recording in your slide. Click on Screen Recording. Click and drag to select the part of screen you want to record. Here, the audio is selected already to record the audio as well. If it's selected, it will record both internal and external audio. Here, record pointer is selected already to record the mouse pointer. If you don't want that, just unselect by clicking on it. Now click on this red dot to start recording. Now if you press Window and Shift and R, it will pause the recording, and click on red dot again to start recording. Now I click Window and Shift and Q, it will stop the recording, and recorded video is added in my slide. Make sure to check your previous playlist on basic capabilities of Microsoft Word and Excel. Links are in the description.